from our side, we didn't want to get into a long-drawn kind of a conflict. We've seen our experience in Operation Prakaram. We were there for almost about 9 months. It involves a lot of expenditure, disrupts everything. And we had seen this to some extent after Balakot. There was a deployment which we had mobilized. So in this particular case, what happened was, before this mobilization could be completed, the operations was halted. Of course, Operation Sindoor, as you know, is not over as yet. It continues. It's a temporary cessation of hostilities. There's a need to keep our guard up. So this, I think, is important. But as far as the Pakistani side is concerned, I can make a guess, two guesses. That is, one, that they were losing things faster at a very, very long distance. And they thought that if this continued for some more time, they're likely to lose more. And hence, they picked up the telephone. Second thing, give the enemy also, your adversary, due. He had also attempted a large number of attacks on 10th, starting from 1 o'clock till about 9:30, 10. Huge number of attacks. They continued subsequently also. And he would have assumed that some of them are as successful as Indians have been. Of course, that didn't happen. And he had no way to realize this. Like in the initial stages also, when we are hitting very deep, I'm not talking about the first day. On 7th, we had ensured that we had all kind of imageries. But when it's a dynamic war, then we really did not know what is the effect on Sargodha, what is the effect on Murid, what is the effect on Gulari. So what is the effect on Jacoabad? It's after once you get a satellite imagery. So the first few hours, you're not very sure. Of course, we were all aided by Pakistanis themselves because they were putting up things in the social media, so we had some idea of its success. But we had to wait for confirmation from satellite imageries and other sources, say signal intelligence or otherwise. So we were quite sure. They were also not sure. They must be hoping that they've also done similar kind of a damage. But probably their hopes are belied after 3 or 4 days when they would have searched the satellite imageries from whichever country they're buying from, that they've not done. So by the time it was too late. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.